Hi Pp2, how are you? I hope you are safe and fine. Today we're going to explain the ministry projects. Most of you asked me, please miss, explain for us the overpopulation and food security. So we're going to start with this project today, and the rest of the project will be followed by next videos. Okay, let's start together. Here for Pp2, you have 3 projects. You are going to choose one and go on work on this one, and of course you must use all what you learned in the during the year in all the materials, which is SSA, Arabic, English, science and math. And of course I'm going to explain for you the parts of the math in each project. And today I'm going to show you the part of the math in overpopulation and food security. Of course you can work alone or in a group, not more than 5. Not more than 5, okay? What is the criteria for judging the project if it's acceptable or rejected? Okay? You must write an attractive title, organize your project, use different concepts from different school subjects, as I told you, in math, science, and etc. Adhere to the number of specific words. Take care at the end of each project you have specific words for English and for Arabic. And of course, you can do your project with Arabic or with English. With Arabic or with English. It's depend on you. Here I'm going to show you how to do it with the English, okay? Because we're in language school. If you want to do it with Arabic, it's your issue. Do it with Arabic, okay? It will be accepted and everything. Adhere to all points of the project. Of course, every point refers you to a subject, and I'm going to show you the points that refers to math in each project. Pay attention to grammar, spelling, and punctuation marks. Of course, this will help you in Mr. Gamal in English, okay? And take care, don't copy any project from the internet because it will be rejected. And don't copy anything in this video. I will give you all information in this video. I'm going to send everything for you in through Edmodo, okay? But please don't take it as a copy and paste. Try to do some effort. Try to make it in another figure, in another shape, okay? Don't take it and copy it, okay? Here, overpopulation and food security. What is the part of math in this part here? These 2 parts. Let's see what they mean with English. Okay, here. He wants you to use the algebraic amounts and use them to count the number of birth and death for males or females or boys and girls, okay? We're going to see how to do this in the last of the video and at the end of the video. But we're going to start with this. Use what you study in math to represent the data. I'm going to show you how to find the data and how to represent it, okay, first. Then we're going to use the algebraic amounts at the end. And predict the number of population in the future, okay? This is what we're going to do now, these 2 topics, okay? First, from where, miss, I'm going to get the information? From the sources of researches, from the sources of research. Here, from the school book, or the study library, study.ekb, and or from Wikipedia. It's so important, Wikipedia, or Google, of course, and the Ministry of Education website. And all of this, it will be so useful sources. Here, population increase in Egypt. I get this I get this nice picture from the internet. It gives you the growth of the population. It's 1.5 million, and the population of Egyptian population in year 2018 were 96 million.3. And here the part of the males and females, the males is 51.6% and the females 48.4%. This figure is so nice, and I have another one here. Of course it's the same but with another picture, and I have these so important numbers that I can use in my project. It indicates the growth or the increase in population. How to get these? And here, this is the map of Egypt for each governorate and its population in 2018. From where can I get this? First, we're going to go to Google. The searching engine, which is Google. In the Google, you can search with Arabic or with English. Okay, I'm going to show you both of them. You're going to write here what you are going to search for, the keywords of the project, like this in Arabic. Here, we're going to search for, here, this is the pictures that I told you. You can find many of them. You can find many of them with English and with Arabic. Okay, and if you want to search with English, of course you will have also a lot here. Okay, he's giving you these, and you can get pictures also. I choose the Wikipedia because it's so important. Let's see the Wikipedia. Wikipedia here give you numbers. Of course, when you have a math, we need numbers to here each governorate and its population. In every year, so I can get the increase. Okay, here historical, and the male and female numbers and percentage. Okay, and this figure for the recent population growth in Egypt. Okay, and you have here all estimation you can use. Okay, and this is the topics that you can get it from here. Okay, here this is Wikipedia, demographics of Egypt. Okay, and of course you can find a lot in Google. Okay, returning back to our explanation here. So this is how you are going to get the numbers and the data. So after I get the data, how to draw this figure? Do you remember this? This is a histogram. We took it before in primary 6 and primary 5 in statistics. How to draw this? Of course, I have here a vertical line and horizontal line. The vertical line with millions and the horizontal line with years. Of course, number of population with millions. Okay, and I get that in 2011 the population were 79,618,000, and 2012 81,567,000. Now, how to calculate the increase on population? First, we're going to get the difference between each years. Okay, here you're going to get 81.567 minus 79.618. You're going to subtract them. Here subtract, here subtract, here subtract. The value that you get here and here and here and here, how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values for the difference. Okay, you're going to take these differences, okay, and add them and divide them by their number to get the mean. You remember the mean? You took it in the first term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the difference between them, they are 4, okay? So add them and divide them by 4, so you get the mean. This mean you're going to add for the last year here, okay, to predict the future, okay? Very good, very nice. So now, how, miss, I can draw this one? You can draw this figure using the word, Let's go to the word program, and you're going to insert, okay? Insert. Then you're going to insert a chart. Look, you can get the figure from the internet. It's okay, and it's possible. What if you want to draw it by yourself? What if you wanted to draw it by yourself? You're going to get the chart and you're going to choose one, okay? Here, he will give you an Excel sheet to change anything that you want in this figure. You are going to tell me, miss, what all of this column? I don't want all of this column. It's so easy. Just you're going to delete the data here that you don't, the column that you don't. So he deleted all the third column, and if you want to delete this also, delete it. Sorry. Okay, so I have this. Okay, and the numbers you can change. From here you can change it as make it 10. Okay, and this make it 5, and this leave it, and this make it 2. Okay, to see the change here. Okay, you can change the values here. Okay, so you can draw whatever figure you want. Okay, which figure you want to draw in. Okay, this is for drawing. And of course you can get a picture from the internet and put it, if you don't want to do all of this, but I'm explaining for you if you want to do it. And then, okay, returning back to our explanation, so we now know how to draw this. Okay, if I want to draw a figure and write inside it, how? We're going to go to the word also, and you're going to insert smart art here, this one, smart art, and you can change the design. Okay, you can change the design for whatever you want. Okay, here a lot of designs here. Okay, here, okay, a lot of designs you can use. Okay, okay, nice. So this is how to make a figures. Okay, now we're going to have the last part of our project here, which is using algebraic amounts. A search of algebraic amounts and using them to count the number of birth and death and boys and girls, or male and female. Here we're going to assume that the death number is X and birth number is Y. The death number is less than the birth number by amount of 100,000. Of course, these numbers you can change, depend on the data that you are going to get from the internet or your assumption. So you can get the data from the internet or assumption, okay? And the birth number was 700,000. Then making the equation that the death number as X equals the birth number, which is Y, minus 100,000. Okay, so x equals what? X equals the birth, which is 700,000, minus the difference, which is 100,000, so 600,000 birth number. Okay. Okay, so this is how I get how I use the algebraic amounts in the project. It's example, of course. You can think and get another examples. Do it. Okay, it depends on your work. I'm just giving you a hint. Okay. Okay, this is for now, Prep 2. We're going to meet again in the second project, which is environment, next week. So wait for me. If you need any help, you can contact me in Edmodo classes. Okay, there is new classes. The school will show you. Till we meet again, thank you very much.